Good evening everyone and welcome back to another lesson of English vocabulary. If you follow this series rigorously, then no one can stop you to be fluent in English. So guys, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any other update. So let's begin. The first word is adverse. The meaning of adverse is preventing success or development, or you can say also harmful or unfavorable. Taxes are having an adverse effect on production. The next word is advice. The meaning of advice is an opinion or a suggestion about what somebody should do in a particular situation. Or you can say also counsel someone. If he wishes good advice, consult an old man. The next word is advise. The meaning of advice is offer suggestions about the best course of action to someone. Experienced Peter will advise you about selling in this weather. The next word is advocacy. The meaning of advocacy is giving of public support to an idea, a course of action, or a belief. He won the Peace Prize for his advocacy of non-violent protest. The next word is advocate. The meaning of advocate is a person who supports or speaks in favor of somebody or of a public plan or action. An advocate for hospital workers. I think you all know the second meaning. The next word is afar. The meaning of afar is from a long distance away. Even from afar, the castle was most impressive. The next word is affable. The meaning of affable is friendly, good natured, or easy to talk. He greeted everyone in the same relaxed and affable manner. The next word is affair. The meaning of affair is events that are of public interest or political importance. The newspapers exaggerated the whole affair wisely. Next is effect. There are two meanings of effect. The first is make somebody or something change in a particular way to influence somebody or something. Her personal problems seem to be affecting her work. The second meaning is to make somebody feel very sad, angry, etc. The whole community was affected by the terrible tragedy. The next word is affection. The meaning of affection is a gentle feeling of fondness or liking. Children need lots of love and affection. Next is affiliate. The meaning of affiliate is officially attached or connect to an organization or a large body. The group is not affiliated to any political party. The next word is affinity. The meaning of affinity is a strong feeling or relationship between two people or things. Humans have a special affinity for dolphins. Next is affirm. The meaning of affirm is to state firmly or publicly that something is true or that you support something strongly. Both sides affirmed their commitment to the ceasefire. The next word is afflict. The meaning of afflict is to affect somebody or something in an unpleasant or harmful way. About 40% of the country's population is afflicted with the disease. The last word is affluent. The meaning of affluent is having a lot of money and a good standard of living. Cigarette smoking used to be commoner among affluent people. Guys, if you liked this video, please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon and share it to your friend. It will help them to improve their English. Thank you.